Oh, hey guys. I'm Sean. Welcome back. It's been a while, huh? Yeah. I got to catch up on a whole lot of editing, but I'm still here, still traveling around in a Prius. It's been I moved in July, so August, September, October, November, and we are now in December. That's been 5 whole months that I've been living in this Prius. And I love it. But yeah, it's been a while, and I figured I'd give you guys a tour of my house, huh? Yeah. Cribs, Prius style. Yeah, so I'm in Slab City. There's a whole bunch of flies around me. We're just going to have to deal with that. Down there, comments, let me know what you think. Let's take that thumb and we'll shove it right up YouTube's thing, make the ring bell. And since we can't talk about it here on YouTube, let's give me a subscribe hit, guys. Alright, show you my car. Alright, just like any normal person, I sit in the front seat. Well, I'm here during the daytime. I mean, we got a handy dandy hat. That's where you guys sit all the time. There's a GoPro mount right there, but I put the shades up. I put shades up all around while I can. Little pieces of cardboard. They do wonder to hold things up. My vent visor and an American Spirit can hold up the front. As you guys see, I got a below right here, but I'll get out. I'll show you the better view. Alright, so I got a cord that charges my phone. It goes all the way to the back of my car. But as you guys see, my passenger seat is a constant nightmare. That is my office desk. That is where everything happens. I am in a Prius. I do have a refrigerator under here. Ta-da! The handle's broken. We gotta call Set Power about that. But I've got a Set Power fridge in here. It works wonders. We can see over on the side. That's where I keep my peanut butter and my toilet paper, obviously. We're at 35 degrees. This fridge holds temperature pretty good. Let's move this out of the way. It can go freezing. It can go higher. There's an eco mode and a power button. Again, within an hour it will bring itself down to temperature. We're probably at about 80, 90 degrees here. Sun is bright. So, in the back of my Prius, this is my little coffee station. Underneath here, let's just drop my water bottle. This is my dry food storage. Underneath that, I've got a 7-gallon water tank. That is my fresh water. That's what I carry. I keep a pair of jumper cables. Jumper cables stay underneath the passenger or the back seat because I don't need them. Behind that is all of my cooking supplies and clearly my bed. I have solar, 200-watt panels, pigtailed. That's it. That's how I live. There's all my clothes over here. Clothes, random jackets, things. I sleep there. My solar comes into here. This is the cord that goes all the way up to the front. We have a little control panel. We have lights. Behind here is just regular 12-volt car battery. It's hooked up to solar charge controller back there. And it also has an isolator that connects to my car battery. underneath all of this, in the Prius trunk, way down there, is the inverter. That functions to do coffee. As you see, I grind my own coffee. I boil my own water. We drink normal coffee while we're out here. As you see, I haven't done anything, but I've been living out of it for 5 months. Yeah. And here we are in wintertime in Slab City, so doing something right. I get many questions about how do I cook. So I've figured out a system where I can cook. I've now given myself a table. Since I am in a Prius, everything is more than accessible. Everything's electric because I run off of solar. Just like I said, we make dinner here in the back of the Prius. Waiting for the sun to go down. It's Slab City. I mean, when you get down to it, I really do live just like you, except for I live out of a car, wherever I am. Yeah, maybe I do live differently. But, I mean, here it is. This is the way that I cook dinner. As you hear, the more electricity I use, I definitely do need to use my vehicle. But it's a Prius. It acts like a generator. It is a rolling generator that allows me to cook dinner and sleep wherever I want to. Wherever I want to. Yeah. Everything in my world is modular as well, but everything has a purpose. I have such little space in this thing that if something doesn't serve a purpose or multiple purposes, it doesn't belong in here with me. I know I spared you guys the whole breaking down the kitchen process. But either way, that goes back underneath the mattress. That gets folded back up, put alongside, and that turns my car back into a normal Prius. We're good to go. Alright, well, I mean, that's it. That's how I live out of this thing. When I drive, everything gets put in the compartments and everything's secure, and we go down the road like a normal person. I'm sure at some point I'll mount a camera back there or something and show you how I operate while I drive down the road with the 2 hands on the wheel and never looking away. Alright guys, thanks. I hope I gave somebody a little hints on how to do this on your own, and you know, I don't know, either way, welcome to my world. Alright guys, again, down there, do the comments and everything. Let me know what you think about my Prius house. We can take that thumb, shove it right up the YouTube thing, ring that bell, and subscribe hits, guys. Subscribe hits. Alright, I don't know. Maybe more Slab videos after this. Maybe I'll catch up on all the other videos and you guys can see where else I've been in the past 5 months living in a Prius. Yeah, guess you're gonna have to hit those buttons. Right. Bye guys.